Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you can be using Spocket with Shopify. So I'm going to show you how to integrate them together and what are the benefits that you're gonna get by doing so, and is it even possible. First of all, search for Spocket. As you can see right here, this is the link that you have to go for. Next thing is up here in the menu, you will find integrations. By clicking on them, you will find all integrations possible, and one of them is Shopify. There is others like WooCommerce, Amazon, Squarespace, eBay, and much more than that. In our case, we are going to use Shopify. So click on Shopify, and as you can see, this is the page that talks about it. So let's give it a look. First of all, let's use Shopify Dropshipping Store with Spocket for free. So Shopify Dropshipping with Spocket Shopify Dropshipping Supplier app. What you're gonna get, you're gonna be able to import Shopify winning products. You can get started with Shopify dropshipping by integrating Spocket for automated dropshipping. Spocket connects your Shopify store to global dropshipping suppliers, allowing you to source winning dropshipping products with fast shipping. Also, you will be having the best Shopify dropshipping suppliers, discovering winning products sourced from the top US and EU dropshipping suppliers with Spocket. These hot selling products are perfect for your Shopify store, offering automated drop shipping. And finally, Shopify dropshipping automation, which allows you to automate your Shopify dropshipping with Spocket's AI tools. And once again, there is the print on demand product, which helps you to design and sell winning dropshipping product with Spocket. So this is all the features that you will get beside other things that we have right here. So to get to use it, simply click on dropshipping on dropship on Shopify right now, and as you can see by clicking on it, they will take you to your account. You simply have to finish it. If in case you didn't have a subscription, you have to get one, and then you will be doing the integration very easily and smoothly. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.